Uh-oh.
Hey travelers, welcome back to Okeligo Travel Vlog. I'm your host, McDonald, and today we are diving into a shopping paradise right here in Verona, Italy. Say hello to Adigeo. This isn't just any shopping complex. It's a must-visit spot that blends modern vibes, amazing stores, and that classic Italian charm. So grab your coffee and maybe a gelato and let's explore Adigeo together. First thing first, Adigeo is super easy to find. It's located at Viale del Nacional 1, just a few minutes from Verona's main freeway exit and about 10 minutes from the train station if you are hopping on a bus 61 or 62. Whether you are a local or a tourist, getting here is a breeze. And look at this place, it's massive, modern, and honestly, it's giving me all the futuristic feels. Alright, let's step inside. Adigeo opened its doors back in 2017 and has been a game changer for Verona with over 130 stores spread across 47 square meters. That's 2 floors of pure shopping bliss. This place has something for everyone. The design is so cool too. Now let's talk shopping. If you are into fashion, you are in for a treat. Adigeo got big names like Zara, H&M, and Primark. Yep, this is one of the few spots in northern Italy where you can score those affordable Primark finds. They have got a huge 6,200 square meter store here, and trust me, it's a budget traveler's dream. There's also Italian brands like Caledonian and international faves like Tommy Hilfiger and New Balance. Whether you're hunting for a new outfit or just window shopping, you won't leave empty-handed. One thing I love about Adigeo is how chill it feels. They've got these cozy lounge areas with sofas and chairs where you can just kick back and relax. Oh, and parents, there's even a kids area to keep the little ones entertained while you shop. It's little touches like this that makes this place stand out. Adigeo isn't just about clothes, it's a foodie haven too. Up here on the first floor, you've got the food lounge with 10 spots and 360 seats, plus another 11 restaurants and bars scattered around, from quick bites like pizza to fancier sit-down meals. There's so much to choose from, like grabbing a piece of brioche and cappuccino here. It's so lovely. So, what's the verdict? Adigeo is hands down a top stop in Verona. It's open every day from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m, sometimes even later for Primark and the restaurants. So you've got plenty of time to explore, whether you are here to shop, eat, or just soak in the vibe. It's a win, plus it's super close to Verona's historic center, so you can pair this with a visit to Juliet's balcony or the Arena di Verona. And this was where I got stopped by one of the security that I can't record here anymore. He said no support. So if you can watch, one of the guys passed when I was recording. I think he came to check if I was recording, and later another guy came and dropped my camera down that I can't record. Yeah, I was still videoing when a security guy came to me and told me I can't make videos inside anymore. So luckily I've got some clips that I'll be uploading. This might be the end of the video. You're seeing me outside sitting down here. I was told that no support, that means in Italiano, you can't do that. You can't make video inside. I just saw the privacy stuff there. They said I cannot make videos inside. So guys, thank you for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe and like the video. Please subscribe to the channel and also share the video. And if you want me to visit some other beautiful places in Verona, please state that in the comments, and do not forget to tell me where you are commenting from. Thank you, and see you in our next video.